Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is March 23rd, and we are going to take a look at Palantir's stock. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research, make your own decisions. So Palantir really disappoints me. What can I say? It closed at 23.26, down almost $1, minus 4%. And post market, it's stable. I really was thinking that this little low here was an indication that Palantir was starting a new trend up. So it had it for one day and then just broke below this trend. So basically, this trend did not hold water. Very disappointing. But again, the stock market is really crappy these days. It's hard to find stocks that go up actually. So I guess it's par for the course. We still have the support in play, the very important support in play at 22, 23. If it breaks that, then I'm getting out of Palantir. I'm still holding it. I had great expectations here when it broke this downtrend. But then it stayed within this congestion zone. So basically it's bouncing between the two zones here. I thought it was going to get up a little bit, get higher a little bit, but no. So it's in a congestion zone in between 27 and, as I mentioned, 22.50, 22.44 or something like that. Stochastic is still interesting. So Stochastic is not at zero, at least. So Stochastic here, as you see here, starting at on February 16th, the Stochastic was very low. So then the stock had no gas pedal. I see the Stochastic as the gas pedal. You can watch my Tesla video I did today. I explain a bit more about Stochastic there. So at zero or under 20, the Stochastic had absolutely no pushing on the gas pedal. The gas pedal was depressed. Well, was not pressed. So basically, the stock had no power, so it just fell down. Now the Stochastic is picking up a little bit. So the fact that it's picking up gives me hope that maybe the stock has some power beneath it. So I hope better days are coming. Well, for sure, better days are coming for Palantir because I think it's a great company that has a lot of potential. But I'd like to see some of that potential be reflected in the stock right now so that we could profit right now. MACD, what did MACD do? So MACD is still bullish, barely, minus, I can explain this to you. So the MACD indicator is the crossing of two lines, a slow line, and a fast line and a slower line. So they move at different speed. Basically, there are two different moving averages: a 12-day moving average and a 19-day moving average, I think. And the two moving averages cross over and everything, and there's some calculation in there. But what you need to understand is that when the blue line, which is the fast line, crosses the red line going up, it's a buy, and when it's the opposite, it's a sell. That's pretty easy. And you can look at the two values. I should show you this. You can look at the value for the blue line here. So the blue line is at 301. And the orange line, I should say orange instead of red. The orange line is at 201. So but then this is based on the position of my mouse. So if I put my mouse here at the end, so we see the current values for the blue line and the orange line. So minus 107 is higher than minus 108. So the blue line is still above the orange line, but barely. And DMI is still showing an ever increasing bearish trend. It's not really surprising because Palantir has been falling down since the 15th of March. But I'm hoping, I have great expectations for Palantir in the future. So that's it for today. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, please comment, please like. I wish you a great evening, and we are going to talk tomorrow, Wednesday, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.